So what you guys just saw is a style of content that we don't usually do on this channel. We travel a lot throughout the year to cover different product launches, different events abroad, and doing these travel videos is like a way for us to bring you guys along on these trips. So this video was entirely shot on the new Canon EOS R. It's their first full-frame mirrorless camera. So if you want to see more sample photos and our hands-on of the EOS R, you can head over to YugaTech.com. We'll have the links in the description for those articles. And yeah, stay tuned for more travel videos in the future, featuring different countries around the world and different products. We might even make a travel video with some smartphones very soon. What device do you guys want us to make a travel video with next time? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and be sure to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. This has been Joey of YugaTech and I'll see you guys soon.